Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. So it's winter, so as you can see my outfit is I'm wearing this shirt because it's so cold. So I'm gonna do is I'm unboxing this vacuum cleaner and also the grills machine. Stainless steel grill maker. Yes, as you can see guys, my gosh, it's big. See, it's big as you can see in my body. It's same like size. So what we're gonna do is we unboxing this one. We're gonna see if it's really good. So as you can see here, best, what is this, best product 100%. So, original siya from GEEPAS. Ang brand niya is GEEPAS. Okay, so, pwede siya sa isda, pwede siya sa manok, and then pwede din siya sa tinapay. So, ayan. So, it's really nice because we can use it for the bread, the chicken, and the fish, you know. So, I'm gonna do is I will show you what is inside in this box. If it's so worth it, my money from Amazon. I purchased this from Amazon and I'm using Tabi, you know. Tabi is really helpful for me to purchase any items from my cart. So let's do this. Samahan niyo po ako sa aking pag-unboxing. Alright, so this is vacuum cleaner. This is, the brand is, what is the brand? TNW. I don't do this, but rechargeable siya guys, rechargeable. See, as you can see, may filter dito. Yung filter niya. Zoom natin. And then, my cord for charge. So, ito yung hitsura niya. As you can see, this is the body. Really, I tried this already. Kasi na-excite ako. So, inclusion niya is may ganyan. Pagbabacuum ka sa gilid. Car vacuum, pwede siya sa carpet. There is a small one here, brush. You can see, like, you can do like that. See? And then you just vacuum. See, let's try. Oh, diba? Oh. See? Maka-vacuum yung cellphone ko ito. See? It's really helpful if you are lazy to clean your area and you don't want to, you know, do something like brushing. So you're gonna use the car vacuum cleaner. So pwede siya sa bed, also sa gilid-gilid. Car vacuum, ayan siya, oh. Kasi maganda siya and it's not really heavy at pwede siyang dalhin kahit saan. At may ano siya, saksakan ng rechargeable. So rechargeable siya guys. So, ang ganda niya kasi na-try ko na. So, buksan mo lang yan dyan. Yung filter niya andito. Pwede mong palitan. Meron tayong extra filter dito. Ayan siya. Ayan mo guys. So, may extra filter. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin ito. Tapos, tapon mo yung madumi. So, very convenient and useful for me. Is I really need this because I'm so lazy to brush in the corner, and also this kind of tiny, you know, room is very dirty, so we need to live like clean. As you can see, may maliit na brush. And then, may maliit na brush din siya. Parang vacuum din yung brush na malaki. Ayan siya guys. Maganda siya, ah. Maganda. So, ganyan po ang hitsura niya. Maliit lang siya. Ayan, oh. As you can see, isang ano lang. 1, 2, pagkasama yung brush or depends sa brush. So, tanggalin natin yung brush. So, ganyan lang siya. 1, hindi ko alam ang sukat. Basta ganyan lang siya. 1, and then like this. Ganyan lang yung sukat niya. So, okay naman siya from Amazon. So, I purchased this from Amazon. So, nagamit na natin siya. Maganda siya. Sana magtagal. Ano? So, let's try. This is very affordable. This is not really expensive. And I'm using Tabby to purchase this, to pay this one. So, thank you, Tabby, dahil nakakatulong ka sa aming mga pinabibiling mga item. Diba? So, we're done with this. And we're gonna do is the other one. Excited ako na ito kasi hindi ko pa ito nakita talaga. So, I'm gonna do now is I will open to show you what is GEEPAS. Every GEEPAS product is inspired by you, your desire to have something that can touch your life and make it better. Whether they are home appliances, kitchens, appliances, entertainment product, personal care, or lighting devices, we are constantly evolving and innovating to make sure that you get to choose only the best from our range of over 1,500 product. Oh, nice. So the next time you pick up any GEEPAS product, you know it's made just for you, for your life, for life. O, diba? GEEPAS is make it easier our life to do something. So, I think maganda naman siguro ang GEEPAS. So, let's do this, guys. I'm gonna open this one. As you can see the inside of the box. It's really sealed. And I'm gonna do it just like this. Be careful because this is the stainless. Handle pa lang, oh. Ang ganda. So, ayan siya. May manual siya dito. We have a manual. So, it means this is original from GEEPAS product. So, mayroon tayong warranty card. Ayan siya, warranty card. So, I'm gonna do is, oh my ganda. Kasi nabili kong grill maker is iba. Yung maliit lang. Ito malaki siya. I'll just try if it's really nice. So, tanggalin natin. Oh, diba? Ay! Oh, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Mag-purchase na kayo dito sa GEEPAS. Ayan siya. Ayan, may switch dito. May high, low, lock, open. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, let's show you guys what is really the face GEEPAS product. Ayan siya. So, we're gonna open here. I think this is closed. This is lock. So, we're gonna open. Ay, ang ganda. See, look, it's so nice. See? Ayan, pwede siya sa chicken and bread and also fish if you're gonna want to make a grill. Because this is a grill maker. So, ito yung adjustment niya. Power and ready. So, power and ready. So, if it's green, it's cooked already. So, you just adjust here. As you can see, may minimum siya, line. So, kayo na po ang bahala mag-adjust. So, meron siya ditong this one, this plastic for the oil. So, it's really good. Kaya, mag-purchase na kayo, guys. See you for my next video. GEEPAS. Baka naman